Hey guys, are you doing air duct, carpet, chimney, drywall and cleaning business and struggling to get more jobs and you are relying on these people who are selling you the jobs and blackmailing you for more percentage on the profit? You know what? We just onboarded a new company 2 days back. Okay? Check this screenshot. He got 3 leads just for testing and he closed all. This is the power of the right marketing. So make sure before you invest in spammy and stupid agencies, work with the professionals. Check out the screenshot, and if you are also willing to grow your business and getting more leads, more appointments, and growing your cleaning business to the moon, don't forget to check out the description. You will find a lot of value. Also, we are open, like for example, if you would like to work with us, we are open to providing you references. You can talk to our clients, verify us before you pay any cent to us. Okay, for any kind of problems, confusion, queries, there's no need to hesitate. In the comments or in the description you can find our Calendly link. You can book an appointment with us and we can show you that how we can grow your business. So why are you worrying about anything? Click the button below and let's get your business to the moon. Thanks.